There's two engines over here that we want. We've got one body out.
Leave your bloke for a shit to do for a little.
But a picture of a very artistic scenes. Yeah. Especially the ports in the back.
I should come down there if I was
That's not right. Yeah, that's the only piece, isn't it?
Oh, it's more of pain now.
What about this one?
The normal flight path is directly over our house, which is just over there. And the way it looked like it was going was to try and avoid it to get onto the wasteland over there. So the pilot must have turned himself to actually to clip the houses over here, which he tried to do, and he clipped it as he went down. He must have gone away from his normal flight path to try and avoid all the houses. So I think that bloke was very broke, and he just took himself out. Instead of landing belly up, he would have turned himself over when he clipped that house.